What is up, guys? First ever Animal Comedy video, and I'm gonna be discovering the brain matter ores. People have been saying gives you a bunch of what's those things called? The gives you a bunch of nuts, yeah. So let's get ready. They're in the, like, when you exit the vents and you make it through, they're in there. I think what I'm gonna do. I have 12 research points. No way. I'm about to go unlock the, what is it called? Left hip slot. Or should I do this? I already got that? Alright, left hip slot it is. Where's left hip slot located? Okay, so attack evasion. So from the glowy thing. This way. Begin a new era. Where the heck is it at? Tactical right hip slot. Wouldn't it be over here? No. Yeah! Cobra Kai is a W show. Y'all should watch. If y'all don't already watch. I'm gonna live it up. Yep. Right. So it should be. No. Yes. My thing's drier than ever. Sue me for what? I think about a barf. Yeah, and oh, I'm stuck. Scary dudes are at the No. Why did I buy them? I just get them free. Alright, my plan. I'm gonna stun. Oh yeah, I had the. Come here. Alright, go. You ready with this one? Dead? Bam. He should be cooked. GG. Ah! I can just keep it and just start the charger. What the heck? What's in here? Oh, yummy. Bye, Coda. Oh, Coda's mad. Coda's mad. Ah, Coda's mad. Coda's mad. Coda's mad. Coda's mad. Remember, guys, don't touch the floor or the ceiling. He's got cooks right there. Okay. You do it with one person. Bruh. Alright, we did it. First time I did it without anyone. Okay. Watch for shy. I'm talking about in it. If he want the cat, he gotta spend it. 10,000? 11? Dang, it keeps on going. Alright guys, so that will be it for today's video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.